Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by expenses, textbook prices, and late-night pizza cravings? Does the idea of financial independence seem like a distant fantasy? Well, it's time to wake up and seize the opportunity because we're about to explore the boundless realm of side hustles, your pathway to financial freedom. Top 6 Side Hustles. Prepare to delve into the top 6 side hustles that can turn you from a struggling student into a savvy moneymaker. These aren't your typical part-time gigs, they're transformative avenues that can help you generate wealth while still excelling in your academic pursuits. So, grab your pen and paper, or your trusty laptop, because you're about to learn some valuable insights. 6. Rental arbitrage. Let's kick things off with a side hustle that might be right under your nose: rental arbitrage. If you have a spare room, an empty apartment, or even an unused couch, it's time to monetize those vacant spaces. With rental platforms like Airbnb, you can list your available spaces and start earning from short-term rentals. Imagine sitting in class, zoning out during a lecture. When you receive a notification on your phone, you've just made $200 from a weekend guest staying in your spare room. That's the beauty of rental arbitrage. You can earn passive income while attending classes, socializing, or catching up on your favorite Netflix shows. But if you don't have extra space, don't worry, because the next opportunity is open to almost anyone. 5. Content creation. Do you possess a talent for storytelling, a knack for video editing, or a voice that commands attention? If so, content creation could be your ticket to side hustle success. In today's digital age, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and podcasting networks are in constant need of fresh, engaging content, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Imagine being a budding filmmaker with a passion for horror movies. You could start a YouTube channel where you review the latest scary flicks, eventually building a devoted following of horror enthusiasts. As your channel grows, so does your income from ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. It's all about turning your passion into profit. 4. Print on demand. Calling all creative souls and design enthusiasts. If you have a flair for creativity and an eye for aesthetics, the print-on-demand industry is waiting for you with open arms and wallets. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful allow you to transform your artistic visions into tangible products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, all without the hassle of inventory management or shipping. Imagine being a graphic design student with a knack for creating quirky, pop culture-inspired designs. You upload your creations to a print-on-demand platform, and suddenly, your artwork is being printed on everything from tote bags to wall tapestries. As orders pour in from fans around the world, you're making money while simultaneously building your personal brand and portfolio. It's a win-win situation. 3. Affiliate marketing. Have you ever found yourself passionately recommending a skincare line or a productivity app to friends? With affiliate marketing, you can turn those recommendations into lucrative opportunities. By partnering with brands and companies, you can earn commissions for every sale generated through your personal referral links. Imagine being an avid gamer with a deep love for the latest gaming tech. You could start a blog or YouTube channel where you review the hottest gadgets and gear, incorporating your affiliate links into your content. As your audience grows and your recommendations lead to sales, you'll earn a percentage of every purchase made through your links. It's like being paid to be a product evangelist, truly a dream side hustle. 2. Freelancing. If you possess a special skill or talent, it's time to capitalize on it through freelancing. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding prodigy, or a social media maven, there's a freelancing opportunity tailored to your abilities. Imagine being a graphic design student with a talent for creating stunning visual masterpieces. You could sign up for a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork and start attracting clients willing to pay top dollar for your services. Suddenly, you're earning a steady stream of income while gaining valuable real-world experience and building an impressive portfolio. It's the ultimate side hustle trifecta. 1. Dropshipping. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, running your own business, and calling the shots? With dropshipping, that dream can become a reality. You can build an online store, curate a collection of products to sell, and let someone else handle the inventory and shipping logistics. You don't need to be a fashion expert or have a keen eye for trends. With platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can easily set up an online store, partner with dropshipping suppliers, and start marketing your curated collection of apparel and accessories to your target audience. As orders come in, you're essentially running your own clothing empire from the comfort of your dorm room or your parents' basement, no judgment here. In conclusion, so, there you have it, 6 side hustles that have the power to transform your financial situation from broke to prosperous. Whether you're looking to earn some extra spending money or build a full-fledged business empire, these opportunities have something for everyone. But here's the real kicker: with the right mindset and determination, you can combine multiple side hustles to create a passive income powerhouse. Imagine waking up to a steady stream of income from your Airbnb rentals, print-on-demand sales, affiliate commissions, and freelance gigs, all while you're still in school. So, what are you waiting for? The world of side hustles is calling your name, and the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is your willingness to take that first step. Embrace the grind, my friends, and get ready to say goodbye to ramen noodle dinners forever. Also, don't forget to like and comment down below, and above all, subscribe.